We're going on a bit of a ride from Los Angeles north to the Arctic Ocean and then south to the Antarctic Ocean. Let's begin. A brief rundown on the bike. It's a Kawasaki KLR 650 2015 model. There's been quite a bit done to it. The main thing is the two panniers in the top box, and in the panniers there's a lot of spares like brake and clutch levers, maintenance items, oil and fuel filters, air cleaners, numerous tools, numerous tyre repair gear, tow rope, personal items, chain breaker. Down the bottom I've had a large skid plate put on, bash plate, and this footrest highway peg also protects the engine and the radiator from falls, which unfortunately are definitely going to occur once we get off road. Tyres are standard road trail tyres, but they'll be coming off once I hit the dirt. I've done quite a bit to the front. We've got two 12 volt GPO power outlets here. One powers the GPS and another one can be used for powering the tyre pump or the GoPro or the mobile phone. Also headlight protector guard, because on the rocky Alaskan roads there's a lot of smashed headlights, so I'm told.